hello there everyone. It's time for Hearts and Crafts with Anna. I'm Anna. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. If you visited before, it's good to see you again. On this channel, we share shopping hauls, create budget-friendly DIYs, and home decor. In today's video, I'm taking part in the Fun Time Friday challenge hosted by Tiffany from Broke Girl Aesthetic, and her co-host is Katie from Little Rocky's Rustic. So please don't forget to watch their channels along with the challenge playlist. The links are in the description below. In today's video, I am bringing to you two mini DIYs. They are for Christmas because this is a Fun Time Friday, and I had a video that I had started and was working on, and so I thought this was the perfect opportunity to share that with you. So come on, let's head on over to my craft room. I'm going to show you what I made using some of these little wreaths. These were from Hobby Lobby, and these pine cones, these are from the Dollar Tree. They're little mini pine cones. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, and hit that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video and you don't miss out on any of the upcoming holiday fun. So grab your favorite beverage, your coffee, your tea, whatever beverage you like to drink, and meet me in my craft room, won't you? Come on, let's go. Vámonos. For my first DIY, I'm going to be using the styrofoam cone that I got at Hobby Lobby, these mini pine cones from the Dollar Tree, and some Waverly wax. I started by painting the cone with the Waverly wax. I was not looking for full coverage, just enough to cover the stark white of the cone. Once the paint was dry, I tried to hot glue the pine cones onto the styrofoam cone, but they wouldn't stick. So I went ahead and wrapped some brown satin ribbon around the cone. This made it a lot easier to attach the pine cones. I did not completely wrap the satin ribbon around the cone. I just kind of wrapped it in a spiral from the bottom going towards the top of the cone. Once I had the satin ribbon on the cone, I started hot gluing the pine cones, starting at the bottom of the cone with the larger pine cones and working my way to the top of the cone using the smaller pine cones as I went around the cone. And here I am trying to find the perfect pine cone to sit at the top of the tree. I want to make sure that it's not too big or too small, and that it's symmetrical and proportionate to the tree. And here it is. It turned out so beautiful. Don't you agree? For this DIY, I'm going to be using these mini wreaths I picked up at Hobby Lobby. Some of these bells from the Dollar Tree. Some pine and berries. I'm going to use some twine and some copper wire. I started by laying the mini wreaths out in a Christmas tree formation. I laid out 15 of the wreaths, but I ended up using only 13. Then I took my copper wire and started wiring the mini wreaths together in each row. So the bottom row is 5 wreaths, the next row is 4, the next one is 3. I don't use the one with the 2, and then the top one is only 1 wreath. Once I have each row wired, then I take each individual row and wire the 2 end wreaths together, making a circle. Once I have my individual circles wired together, then I attach the circle with the 4 wreaths to the circle with the 5 wreaths, attaching them together where the wreaths meet with the copper wire, and then I attach the circle with the 3 wreaths on top of the circle with the 4 wreaths, again attaching them where the wreaths meet using the copper wire, and at the very top I attach the single wreath. Once the tree was put together, I started attaching the bells to the wreath. I hot glued them to the top of the wreaths, leaving the bells hanging in the middle of the wreath. Once all the bells were in place, I went around and covered the copper wire with some jute twine, giving the tree a more rustic look. Next, I added a mini red bow to each wreath except the very top wreath. Once all the bows were in place, I added pine needles and berries to the top wreath. And isn't that a beautiful wintry sight? I'd like to thank our host, Broke Girl Aesthetic, and her co-host, Little Rocky's Rustic, for hosting this Fun Time Friday challenge. Don't forget to watch their channels along with the rest of the playlist. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!